In this video, I'm just going to share a story. And this is about one of my short films that I did last year that is entitled Pamilya. Mabuhay and what is up, Tasers? Welcome to Taste or The Art of Sir Eden. If you are new to this channel and you're kinda interested in these kind of contents, be sure to subscribe and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And to all of my current subscribers, thank you so much for your support, and you guys are awesome. Now, without further ado, I'm going to share you a story. But before that, a bit of a disclaimer lang, no? This video is not a flexing video or to brag about what I gained on creating a short film last Christmas. Now, if you haven't watched that short film that I did entitled Pamilya, you can watch it in the card up there. Now, the reason why I'm creating this video is because I wanted to share the success of this channel last year. It's a small win, but for me, it's a big deal because I never ever experienced something like this before. I am not really lucky in terms of winning any giveaways, but I think 2021 was the year that breaks that curse, and luckily I've won my very first giveaway back in February, which is the Moza Father's Day giveaway, and that was my very first ever in my entire life of winning, and I think that is one of the milestones of the channel, and it is also a milestone of my Instagram as well. And upon receiving the Moza Air 2S, I've learned a lot, and I was able to use it on my short films. And in fact, the Moza Air 2S is the main gimbal that I used on creating my short film Pamilya back in 2021 as a Christmas short film. And of course, we all know that back in 2021 here in the Philippines, we are still on a lockdown, so we had a hard time going home to my hometown in Bulacan. So when I was given a chance to go there to visit my parents and take my son, their grandson, to them, I immediately thought that I need to create a short film for us as a family, including my parents, because I never did that in the past. So we went there and did the short film, and it was really fun for me because I was able to maximize the gimbal, and I was able to learn a lot on creating that short film. And then my father asked me, where did you get that? O saan mo nakuha yung gamit mo na yan? He was talking about the gimbal. And then I said, this was the one that I was telling you about na napanalunan ko back in Father's Day. This is my very first time winning a giveaway, Dad. Well, he replied to me that I think this is the start of many winnings. Back then, I was not taking it seriously because I thought that he was just trying to boost my confidence on joining a lot of giveaways so that I could have a chance to win. And then we went home, and the day after that I tried to edit the video, and during that time I was so inspired. I was able to find a good music on Soundstripe, and I was able to manipulate the footages that I took and create it into a way that I wanted it to be. Basically, this story was really inspired on how the pandemic was for me as a son for my parents, because I wasn't able to visit them all throughout almost a year because we couldn't pass through the borders of Manila and Bulacan. And then I was able to formulate that short poem that I did, and then I did the voiceover. And then I was so happy that it turned out well. Now, my family loved it. Of course, I posted it on my Instagram, I posted it on my Facebook, and also on my YouTube channel. But then upon browsing on Instagram, there was this giveaway competition that was conducted by Feiyu and Vaxis. Upon reading the mechanics, I found out that they are conducting a Christmas video contest. So in a snap, I said, wow, I think this is a good chance for me to showcase the video that I created. So I posted the video again, and then I followed the mechanics. Then after that, I was just happy that I was able to create such emotionally striking video as per the other people who watched it. And then January came, and early in the morning, I forgot what exact date that was, but in that morning we were preparing because pwede nang pamasyal nung time na yun eh. The lockdown was lifted, and in that morning as well, I received a notification on my Instagram mentioning my Instagram name. So I was curious about it. So upon checking it, I'm really surprised that the Pamilya short film that I created won the second place. And it was mind-blowing, guys. I never thought that it would have a chance to win such not really that prestigious, but it was a video contest, and back in my mind I just wanted to share the video that I created so that people will watch it, will be able to watch it, and share the message and the feel of Christmas here in the Philippines. But it was really surprising for me that I was picked as a second placer together with a certain someone, and also with JC Navarro Films, and he was also selected as a winner. And that guy was really a good content creator. To cut this short, I know it's getting too long. I've won a Feiyu gimbal, which is the Feiyu Scorp. Of course, I'm going to do a review of this, guys, very soon. And also the Vaxis giveaway was the wireless video scanner, but luckily Vaxis contacted me and they asked me if I will be able to use their product, that certain product that they were giving away. And I said, to be honest, I won't be able to use it because I'm not really sure if that is compatible with my gimbal. And they said it's not. They asked me if I'm willing to exchange it to their Vaxis accessories. So I said yes, and they provided 4 types of accessories in which I was able to choose from their list. And these accessories are really great. It was very helpful for me. Up until now, actually, I've been using those 4 accessories. I'm just really proud to say that that the curse was lifted. I'm able to be chosen on a few giveaways back in 2021, and hopefully this 2022 will be the same. I'm talking too much now, and I don't think that any one of you will care about this, but I just wanted to voice out this feeling. Well, the most ironic thing that I really thought about this experience was when I won my first giveaway. It was a Father's Day giveaway. This is the start. In my own interpretation, it was like a father's blessing to me. That's what I feel. This energy of positivity. My father was trying to spread it to me, and he passed it down to me as a blessing, and it turned out to be a really good thing. So you guys, if your father are telling you something, don't take it for granted. Those words from a father, especially if they meant it with love, care, and with hope that you are able to achieve those dreams of yours, you have to hold on tight on it, because those words are really powerful. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And again, this is TASE, or The Art of Sir Eden, and together let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you on my next video, guys. TASE Vlogs out.